It's video. It's doing video.
It's a sign that I have to get it out.
Let me see.
They're for sale.
Look at that face. Look at that face. Are they cute?
Hey, doggy. Look at her eye.
She's so calm. She's so calm. Like she doesn't even try to run away. Oh my god. Where's Brenda? She's so little.
Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
You're a good girl. Look, she's so skinny. You're so skinny. You're so skinny. You're so skinny. You're so skinny. Hey! You're so skinny. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yay! Oh my gosh, look at that puppy! Look at that puppy! Hey, pups! Hey, pups! Does this make your day, babe?
Yeah, look at. You're tiny. They're like almost as big as her. How old are they now?
They'll be 9 weeks on Tuesday. Yeah, how she does 9, I don't know, but she does really well.
Yeah, she's teeny. Oh, she has the one eye too?
Does she? We have one blue eye, one.
Or maybe not.
They're hazel, I think.
Oh.
Usually, I think I had 2 puppies with a blue and a brown eye.
Oh. Oh, wow. Her eyes are really pretty.
And then one of a lady that I sold one of the puppies to, her puppies come out with 2 blue eyes, some of them.
Whoa, you're just resting. You're just resting down there.